My youth, just go. Me, doctor, lawyer, scientist, and teacher. And me can't even read neither.
How will you say name?
Ageable.
Okay.
You know what behind a dog and pick up in droppings?
To be honest with you, I would tell you something. And me no bias. No bias, you know. But me is a man where me are ageable, you know. And people might say, me attack something to just make people laugh. Me no. Me give a joke sometime. But as a lawyer, scientist, and teacher, you must be firm in what you're doing. Let me tell you what it is right now when it comes to a dog. And if you walk back and pick up shit. In the lobby. I'm a poor man. Yeah. And if the price is right, we will do my work and find me living.
You will walk a dog?
Yeah. It have to worth it though.
Hey, me I work down a parkland. And I see a truck I walk in a community. And his sticker them print up on the truck. And his stick was right on his sticker. We scoop poop. And you see the dog picture on it.
Yeah.
And somebody with the shovel.
And you can call in the yard back.
And you can call them if you come scoop up for you.
Yes.
Them do that for your job.
As a life, as a living. And they don't do it for nothing.
But according to what you say, if you get
If the price is
the
right.
price is right, you will walk a dog and take up them
If the price is right,
Yeah.
the price have to be right. We have to can see something out of it. Me not just pick up dog shit stuff, you know. Me cut grass. And me weed rock way out in shit and me not take up pay. Nobody not pay me to take up no dog shit. And me not move the dead animal out of the place, neither frog, rat, pussy or dog.
If the price right, you remove it.
If me get paid, me remove it. But me okay go when me take up it.
You have to bury it.
Which part me you bury it? Which part me you bury it for free? No.
Yeah, you have to take all of that into consideration for
Then
true.
all of that you have to put in a
You have to take up it.
You have to find.
You have to go dispose of it.
Story and dispose it.
Transport it too.
Then that's that story Jack need to. You have to
Yes.
transport it. You have a story first, then you transport it, then you go dispose it.
Yeah.
You understand me? So you have to put all those in context. We all take up and do with it.
Then suppose you date a girl, you date a woman, and she have her dog, and she always walk the dog with her plastic bag in her pocket. And when the dog do him thing, she take it up.
They have been the dog shit.
Yes. And you date her, then suppose she ask you to assist her to walk the dog and do that. For her.
Hold on, let me answer that. You have all kind of can. American, Cuban, Haitian, Jamaican, Spanish. Every kind of all Africa they come from. And no one blood dog girl there without dog. And the whole of them creep bags same way. Me not take up no dog shit. Fist up. It have to come naturally, it have to come in contact with me.
Then suppose you woman and you love her them way there.
Woman they forget. That's what me try to show you. Me not take up no dog shit in the name of God Almighty. Me not do it. I would, as me tell you, I would do it in what way there. The price have to be right. If she can't pay me if you do it, and then me not go charge her because me a data. Me not go do it. Me not go do it. The Ageable sister. So if you
So should I prefer relationship mash up?
me in a relationship with no dog shit, brother. In a relationship in a shit. you hear me a sister well. So either me or the dog or me.
Alright. Then suppose the dog in a backyard, the dog go do him thing. You'd have bury it fair though.
To be honest with you, if it don't mess up, me will get through this was and that. But if you do a thing, if you go walk down a road.
And then if it's when drop it,
If
you
you
bend
take-
over it and take up it.
You must have mad the fuck. Me now go keep in my yard nasty because right now me want. Me can tell you something. Somebody said they clean and they nice. And the dog shit this one, he tip over. No, you not go up to with me. You stick up that.
Yeah.
In my yard.
Because we got some yard go work, you know, if we are work outside like on facial also. And the people them have them dog or we are mixed in set and we go catch water in a bucket.
Or a spray down wall or a paint, whatever.
Or a do painting. And you look in a one corner, Lord God.
And the story.
Amount of dark shit. And them not bury it, you know, man.
You know the cranny. You know the cranny.
You know
You know when you look cranny.
if rain go fall upon that. I mean, we are part of the people have a bag. And the dog tail, meanwhile the dog a drop it, you know. And the hot scent does a go up in them nose.
Ooh. Lord have mercy. Papa.
I mean, I promise nobody say me I go walk behind no
There's
dog and take up no
as
dodo.
I tell you before.
Me not say it's impossible, but me not
It's
promise
only in a
nobody.
certain condition, and I told you the condition
If
before.
you get good pay for
I
it.
mean, I go find no poor people, dog. Must be rich man, dog.
Where you say dog feel to blind you?
And you pain.
How though?
If you work not more, dog, she give you pain. When I work, when I do it for nothing, you pain. But if you get pain, you get no pain. You so chickify. Nature is. If you keep on a clean dog shit and you not get no pain, you blind you.
If I get paid, you know blind you.
No, because you do it for a purpose.